Today we have a beautiful Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard, and I want to show you some of the features that makes this one of the best 21-foot bow riders currently on the market. So this 21 SPX is outfitted with a white Mercury 200 horsepower. This engine gets this boat up and going, which makes this boat perfect for water sports and all of those activities out on the water. Another thing I absolutely love about this boat is the sea deck all throughout. I love the pattern. The gray makes it super easy to keep clean. And it's really well matched with this gray upholstery. We call it stone. You have a nice sun pad in the back for when you are hanging out at the anchor or by the dock. As we make our way into the cockpit here, we have a starboard side walkthrough with in-deck storage, a built-in cooler, and as you come further into the cockpit, as you can see, we have cup holders all throughout. Another thing that I really love is that we have upholstery and padding going all the way up the sidewalls to give you that extra padding and comfort. It's really nice, especially on a rougher day. You're not getting bruised up on your arms and your shoulders. We have a jump seat right here behind the captain's chair. There is extra storage as well under there. More storage underneath this back bench seat as well. This is self-draining as well, so you can fill it with ice and fill it with all of your drinks. We have a huge amount of storage as well. So in that sun pad, just flip it right on up. And because you don't have that inboard outboard anymore, you have a ton of space. So you can use this as storage. And as you can see, up the port side here, you have more seating, more bench seating. Again, the upholstery is brought all the way up the sidewalls to the gunnels. We have a multi-position seat here, so you can be facing forward as a co-pilot if you want to, or flip it to face backwards to make that living room feel. The 21 SPX also has more in-deck storage on the center line. It is very long and deep. That way you can house wakeboards, water skis. It's also a good place for any covers. On the helm, we have a 7-inch Simrad NSX with a depth finder. We have a Fusion stereo, USB, all your toggle switches. We also have a digital throttle shift here with active trim, so then you don't have to worry about your engine angle. Just set it and forget it. It will make it the most performance and give it the best efficiency. As we move forward to the bow, of course, we have our full leg length chase loungers up here. And again, we have that upholstery that goes all the way up the sidewalls to the gunnels to give you that extra padded support. We have grab handles in a really good spot as well. We have speakers up here, cup holders, courtesy lighting, anchor locker, everything that you need. If you have any questions about the Sea Ray 21 SPX, come on down, check it out for yourself, or just give us a call. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.